Still managing your rolling straddle strategy manually? Switch to algo trading using Signal AI. Hi traders, welcome back to AlgoTest. In today's video, I'm going to show you something very powerful. I'm going to show you how you can automate and backtest your trading strategy on combined premium. Earlier, Signal AI only supports spot data, but now we have synthetic future data, options data, combined premium data, and futures data. You can automate and backtest your trading strategy using any of the data. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a trading strategy using the combined premium of options. And not just that, you can apply any indicator or logical condition on top of that and backtest the entire setup in just few minutes very easily using Signal AI. Along with that, I'll also show you a practical strategy that has produced a really good backtest results. So you'll not only understand the setup, but you will also learn how you can use the Signal AI to build advanced option strategies. Let's just jump to AlgoTest and see how you can do it. As you can see on my screen, we are on the AlgoTest. Let's just go to Signal AI from the top navbar. Once you go on the Signal AI, you will see two options of entry and exit condition which were earlier there, but you'll also see a new option of spot. Once you click on that, you can choose your data selection source, and in that earlier only spot was available, but now we have future. In future, you can select the contract, either you can choose monthly or next monthly. In option, you can select either of the option, either call or put, and you can also select whether you want to apply the indicators on rolling chart or fixed chart. After that, we have synthetic future option. You can apply your trading logic directly on synthetic future, and in the last we have combined premium. In combined premium, we have four options: straddle, strangle, iron condor, and iron flat. Along with these four default options, you can also create your own option strategy to apply indicator on that. You can see the option here. You can either select rolling or fixed. You can select call or put, the expiry, weekly, next monthly or monthly, and the strike type, which how you want to select the strike, and strike type ATM, ITM, OTM. And from add leg option, you can add multiple legs and create the combination of premium, and you can create multiple leg combined premium options chart, and then you can apply indicators on it. Now let's understand the logic of our combined premium option strategy. So I have created a strategy. We will just open it from the sidebar. As you can see on my screen, I have choose the data selection source as combined premium. In the combined premium, there are two legs. One is call leg and one is put leg. And in both of the legs, I am choosing rolling as option. Apart from it, the strategy logic is pretty simple. We will take an entry when the 50-minute candle closes below the VWAP, and we will take the exit when 50-minute candle closes above the VWAP. You can create the same strategy using the canvas, or you can directly interact with a Signal AI agent to build the same strategy. Now let's just go ahead and see the trades of the strategy. To see the trades, we'll just go to the chart preview section. We'll run a backtest. As you can see on my screen, we have applied our trading logic on 15-minute time frame. That's why we are seeing the chart on 15-minute time frame. As you can see, this is the combined premium chart, and entry and exit are flagged directly on the charts. Now let's just go to the next step and backtest this strategy to see how it has performed. We'll just go to the backtest section. We'll increase the duration to 2 years. To backtest this signal, I have created a Nifty strategy, and I have sold a straddle with 50% stop loss, and along with that, I have also applied trail SL to break even condition. We will now go ahead and backtest the strategy to see the result. This is our result. We will add the slippages and taxation charges into the strategy. And the most important thing here is we will only trade this strategy on 0DT and 1DT, which means we will only trade this strategy on the day of expiry and 1 day before the expiry day. Now we will add that filter 0DT and 1DT. As you can see on my screen, this strategy has given a good result on 2024, 2025 and 2026 with the minimal drawdown. If we go down to the stats, the strategy has 48% win rate, and it has given a 98,000 profit in the span of 2 years, and the max drawdown of the strategy is 20,000 rupees. And the most important thing here is the risk to reward of a strategy. Since this is an option selling strategy, the risk to reward is very good. It is 1.66. If you are an option seller, then you must have known that in option selling strategy, we generally don't have a very good risk to reward ratio. In this video, I have shown you how you can backtest and automate a combined premium option strategy with VWAP indicator. Now you can use any indicator on the combined premium of options and create your own trading strategy using Signal AI. If you find this video helpful, then please like this video, and if you have any doubt, then you can ask us from the comment section. See you in the next video.